Morning class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will revise the question answers of chapter number 3 Investigating Plants. Exercise number 3 is answer these questions and the first question is how many parts of a plant are there? Name them. Look in this picture. A plant is divided into two main parts, the shoot and the root. The shoot is the portion of the plant that grow above the ground. And the root is the portion of the plant that grows below the ground. And the shoot is further divided into many parts: stem, leaf, branch, bud, flower, and fruits. Question number 2 is what is a root? Roots of most plants grow in the soil. Roots are of different kinds. Some plants have thick roots that go deep into the soil. Other plants have the number of thin short roots. Look in this picture, roots have tiny root hairs on them. Question number 3 is what are the functions of a root? The first function of a root is root fix a plant firmly in the soil. And the second function is plants need water and salt. Root take these from the soil and give them to the plant. And the third function is some plants store their prepared food in the root. Question number 4 is what is a stem? Give its functions. Look in this picture. Stem is a part of a plant that grow above the ground. All plants have stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. It is mostly upright. Branches, leaves and buds grow on it. Trees usually have hard, woody, strong stem. And these stems are covered with a thick bark. The functions of stem is it gives support to the plant. It transports water and food to the different parts of the plant. And it sometimes stores the extra food. Look in this picture. Fibrous root is a kind of root which has many branches. Grasses have this type of root. All roots are about the same size. These roots are attached to the end of the stem. You can see in the picture end of a stem. The roots are attached. There is no main root. So this kind of roots is fibrous root. Question number 6 is what is a tap root? Tap root is a single main root which has no branches. Several thinner roots grow out from the main root. This type of root is called tap root. Question number 7 is what is a chlorophyll? Give its function. The green colored substance in the leaves is called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to prepare food in the presence of sunlight. This substance is necessary for the leaf to make their food. That is why only plants with green leaves can make their own food. Question number 8 is why is oxygen necessary for us? Oxygen is necessary for all living things. All living things need air all the time. Without air, the food we eat cannot give us energy. That is why we cannot live very long without air. All animals and plants breathe in oxygen. Question number 9 is what are the functions of leaves? Leaves give out oxygen in daytime and makes the air good. Leaves prepare food for plants. They do breathing for the plants with the help of stomata present in the upper surface of the leaves. They sometimes store the extra food in the leaves. Its best example is cabbage. Cabbage and mint store food in their leaves. Question number 10 is what is the function of a seed? When the seed gets water, air and sunlight, it starts growing. In the first step, the roots of the germinating plant appear first. You can see in the picture. and they grow down into the earth. Then the shoot grows upward towards sunlight, and the leaves then start appearing. You can see in the picture, while the roots, stem, and leaves are forming the young plant. At this time, the young plant is called a seedling. The function of the seed is a seed store food in it and grows into a new plant.